This is what my physique look like when I start my other journey, and I'm gonna show you everything that I've done to actually get that physique. One of the first steps that I did to actually reach my goal, I'm gonna explain to you, or you can actually do the same thing to actually fix that. The first thing, when you're going to the gym, do not actually wear a sandal. Make sure you wear proper like shoes so you can actually cover your whole feet to avoid injuries. I've done it. I see what did happen in the past few years, so let me go straight and teach you how I actually train. So when I start, those type of mistake that I made was like I didn't get exactly a really workout plan. So without a good workout plan, that's gonna become a little tricky. So that's gonna make you sometime overtraining, and also your workout training is gonna be so complicated. So I've done that so many times. So I don't want you to do the same type of like technique. So to not to actually but try to avoid type or injuries. And also one thing about trainings, I didn't get like a workout plan as I said at the beginning. I do anything that come in my head and I will just keep working every single day. But it's not the things. But let me still explain that. One things that's make me so much confusing sometimes about like regular training, it feel like I was like in a circle. So what I mean like in a circle, so I feel like most of the time when I'm trying to get the result that I'm looking for, so even though I give everything that I got but I was still failing. One point that's make me realize in the journey when you just start them, so it's gonna be always come with that same type of technique. See, like you keep walking around still not seeing any result, but you just got to be patient, just got to keep working and just keep moving forward. This is because the only way you're gonna be able to actually able to get in touch to your wheeler journey. And also if you can find a trainer, this is one of the best things that can actually also help you on your wheeler journey, because without all of those things that can actually make you feel like not able to get to your point A to B, and that's why I really recommend you guys make sure you follow a good workout plan, make sure you follow a good meal plan, and also all of the self training. And one thing about my training also, guys, was not staying constantly. Some day I goes on and there's some days I goes off. It was like a on and off, on and off. That's why it took me so long to not able to reach out my goal really faster. So I don't want you to do some type of mistake. If you're on that journey, make sure you go all in and also try to do your best to improving mentally and physically, because it takes time, guys. But all I want you to understand, just keep going and keep moving forward, and then you're actually gonna be able to do it. Okay, now guys, let's just talk about my things that I eat most of the time. So for my diet, guys, like you can see, there is like when we talk like tomatoes and all of the stuff, those are actually fibers, so they're not gonna get any type of protein that's gonna actually help you. We eat the broccoli, we get those corns, and also the type of oil that I was using stop you from like not actually able to lose weight, because the corn oil, and also I was focusing on the carbs was like rice, so it was actually no way I was gonna be able to lose weight. So that was the first video, guys. I hope you enjoyed those mistakes that I made, so you can actually learn from that. And also I'm going to teach you on the next one video what exactly you can use to actually replace them instead of using what I was eating. So I was focused on eating rice and all of this stuff. I hope guys you enjoyed that video, so don't forget to like,
Como tu muna como poti video am dula, pode